So after graphing the transformations on the previous problems, we can really start to see that there's some patterns here, and we actually don't have to graph the functions every time just to see the change. You can actually just predict what's going to happen by looking at the equation itself. So looking at x squared and kind of all the different possible scenarios with 3 and 4. If we have plus 3 on the inside and plus 4 on the outside, that's going to be left 3 and up 4. If it's a minus 3 on the inside and a plus 4 on the outside, then this would be to the right 3 and up 4. If it's plus 3 on the inside and minus 4 on the outside, then it would be left 3 and down 4. And then the last case would be if it's a minus 3 on the inside and a minus 4 on the outside, then it would be right 3 and down 4. So the inside, if you see something being added or subtracted on the inside of the function, that's left and right. And it's kind of opposite of what you would think, because plus gives you to the left and minus gives you to the right. The numbers that are on the outside of the parentheses, or the outside of the function, that determines up or down. And those are more straightforward because pluses are up and minuses are down. Now, they're not all with x squared, so it could be with really any function. And that's what the next part is showing, is that if you just have a generic function f of x, so if it's not specifying that it's x squared, if it's just a generic function f of x, if you add c, and this is adding c to the outside of the function because it's not on the inside of the f of x, this would be, you're shifting it up c units. If it's minus c, you're shifting it down c units. Again, this is very generic, or a very generic way of talking about it. If you subtract c on the inside of the function, then that's going to be to the right c units. Again, I don't know what c is. We're just trying to be generic here. And if you put a plus c on the inside, that's going to be moving it to the left c units. So these are kind of our rules here for shifting up and down. So looking at a specific problem, number 5, it says, how is the graph of y is equal to x plus 4 cubed plus 9 transformed from the graph of y is equal to x cubed? Well, we have the plus 9 here, and the plus 9 means it's going to be shifted up 9. And we have the plus 4 on the inside, which means it's going to be shifted to the left 4. With number 7, it's kind of the reverse. They're saying that we have y is equal to x squared, and they want us to shift it left 4 units. What is the new equation? So with this one, you would say y is equal to, and instead of just putting x, you want to put a parentheses with a squared, and you want to put x plus 4. So because it's left 4 units, you want to have a plus 4 on the inside of this one. So that'll be our answer.